Do you think your job is pathetic and making your life miserable, and that it may be time for a change? We have certainly heard the phrase, "Your salary is the bribe they give you to forget your dreams." Every job has its ups and downs. But there can be a serious issue if your job is constantly downs, according to Amy Morin, the author of 13 Things Mentally Strong People Don't Do. Says a hostile work environment can cause people to be miserable and may, in some rare cases, even be linked with depression. The problem is, once you fall into that trap, it can be difficult to get out. Here are 10 smart skills that will make you rich in 2023. Welcome to GenUus. 1. Coding and software enhancement. People with good coding abilities are paid a lot of money by tech and IT companies. By hiring such individuals, these companies can develop amazing products and provide the best of services. Hence, coding will be one of the most in-demand talents in 2023. It is an evergreen competency that will guarantee a promising career if you can become an expert in it. 2. Algorithms designer. Algorithms power machines, software, and various other things. And someone needs to design these algorithms through analytical and logical thinking. The branch of engineering that deals with algorithms are informally known as algorithm engineering. Can anybody create algorithms with real-world applications? Probably not. This high-income skill requires the ability to think outside the box, perform complex calculations if and when they arise, and join seemingly different pieces. If you can master the skill of algorithm designing, tech giants like Google, Facebook, and others will gladly welcome you into their employees. 3. UI designer. Mobile apps, websites, software applications, you need a user interface for everything digital. What is a user interface, UI? The user interface connects the hardware with the software and allows users to seamlessly perform operations. With several mobile and web apps being released every other day, the requirement for UI designers is at an all-time high. UI designers are paid well in today's times. If you are creative, passionate about designing, know how to use tools like a pro, and understand a consumer's perspective, you can earn big bucks as a UI designer, an in-demand technical skill of 2023. 4. SEO. As we have already known about the success that digital marketing can bring to the companies of today, it would be a grave mistake if we don't pay heed to SEO, or search engine optimization, which plays a major part in digital marketing strategies now. SEO is one of the most powerful techniques of marketing online, which is the only other alternative to regular paid marketing strategies. SEO is certainly one such dependable skill that will not lose its demand anytime soon. In fact, a sharp rise of the same is predicted. 5. Video production. Video marketing is booming. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and IGTV are making people rich and famous. If you can master the skills of videography and video editing, these platforms can enable you to create a secondary source of income. Several resources are available online to learn and perfect these capabilities. Video production is a wildly popular niche on freelancing websites, and startups, in particular, are willing to pay generous amounts to experienced video producers and editors. 6. Blockchain. Blockchain is one of the cutting-edge technologies that are rapidly rising in demand. Blockchain can be defined as the system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult, almost impossible to hack, change, or cheat the system. Therefore, blockchain is one technology that is empowering digital security and therefore, a desperate need of the age. We can see many blockchain startups emerging today. Blockchain is a relatively new technology and can easily be included among the most in-demand skills for the future. 7. Digital marketing. We are living in the era of the internet where everything is online, including products, businesses, and all that's in between. Companies and entrepreneurs of the world are instinctively starting with listing their businesses online, and are always on the edge to market their products and businesses effectively online, all of which are aiding the growth of digital marketing. Yes, digital marketing, or the online form of marketing that most businesses are choosing today, is clearly a winner when it comes to high-income skills that are foolproof in nature. 8. Copywriting. Advertising a brand is crucial to its growth, at least in the competitive times we are living, and the key to effective advertising boils down to the idea and the content. Writing clear, crisp, and creative copies never fails to stand out, and is popularly recognized as the secret to the success of each brand. Once you have learned and mastered copywriting, you can charge way more than a content writer. The demand for copywriters is thus always on the rise, which is why copywriting finds its place effortlessly here in this list. 9. Art, design, and photography. No matter how technically advanced we are, art and aesthetics are always in our veins, and the appreciation of these things are among some of the unique traits of humans, which clearly separates us from the rest of the animate beings. Fine arts and other performing arts, designing, and photography have expanded in size and infused almost all of the current existing domains in the world. Besides, it is needless to say that has always stood among some of the top skills in demand, and will always be one of the most in-demand skills for the future. 10. Content creation. The content is what makes a brand or its advertisements speak for themselves. Once upon a time, text was the only form of content, but with time content has diversified into various other forms, all of which are successful in their own ways. We can see many writing bots in the market, however, the need for talented content writers can never go away. Also, even though content writing is relevant today, audio and video content have also grown at an incredible pace, and are at par with the content. If you start working on these top skills in 2023, you can carve an excellent career for yourself, make money, and build a brand. And rest assured these competencies will remain popular for a really long time. If you enjoyed today's video, please give us a like. To ensure that you never miss a new upload, click the bell icon. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.